Why do we need to do this on the day of a severe weather event? Well, these boundaries and the positions of these boundaries can be very critical in telling you where exactly you need to be to target for a storm chase. If you analyze a cold front and that's your initiating boundary for storms, and you analyze it 100 miles off, you're just taking a quick glance, you misanalyze it, that can put you way out of position for being on the right storms. So you really want to get in the habit of really looking at the surface map in detail. You don't have to do this full-blown analysis every single time, but at least looking at your surface map, your raw surface data, finding where those winds spiral around in a counterclockwise fashion. We pinpointed where that was by eyeballing it. The low was somewhere up here in far southeast Nebraska to northeast Kansas. And then your frontal zones, you're again looking for wind shifts, temperature gradients, moisture gradients. We see a clear temperature gradient here, wind shift from more westerly winds to more southerly winds. So there's very likely a cold front somewhere in this vicinity here. Warm front, same thing. We see a very well-defined temperature gradient up in here. And so that is how you would pinpoint those frontal zones and the location of the surface low without actually doing a full surface analysis.
Storm chasing is hard. Get expert help from a live coach. Discord community link in description.
Those are your main things that you want to be looking for on the surface map. We also can have other boundaries like dry lines. Dry lines separate hot, dry air to the west from warm, moist air to the east. Dry lines can be very important in severe weather formation, especially on the plains. We can also have outflow boundaries from previous convection, but you're always looking for those clues we talked about. Multiple clues. You want to have temperature gradients, moisture gradients, wind shifts, and if you do a full analysis, those pressure tongues can really help you out in giving you the exact location of where those boundaries are.
Remember to check out those links in the description below, and then watch another video.